is the entrance. Just gonna take my time and hold the camera steady, because I didn't do this very well the last time. This is our new space. Empty apartment tour. There's the bathroom. It smells so clean. There's the bathroom. This is our half bath. Okay. Lights. Cabinet space, which I'm thoroughly happy with. I wasn't sure about metal accents, but now I feel very confident about metal accents. There's the kitchen. Fan. So I'm probably gonna do like a perspective like this. Super happy. We got a freezer. Oh, real shelves in the kitchen. In this, I can't talk. I'm so excited. Real shelves in the fridge. These are the soft closing cabinets. Microwave. The oven, all nice and clean. Beautiful, beautiful appliance. I love this. AC is really loud. It's a lot louder than our old apartment. Maybe it's not, I don't know. Here's the washer dryer. Probably gonna have to put something up above it. We have way more cabinet space now. I know I sound very quiet, but this is my second time coming in, and now it's clean. Nice and clean. This is gonna be our master. This is where my closet more than likely will be. Nice little window right there. This is where the TV stand and everything will be. This is his closet, and he'll put all his stuff in there. So more likely I'll have this closet and the one in the guest room as well. The double vanity. Can you see? Lots of cabinet space. Super happy about that. The drawer. I'm gonna get some bins. Ooh, deep bins too, to organize all my hair products, because I want to get into like a routine where all my stuff is better like put up so it's not everywhere. This is your girl. Hey. I'm so happy. Oh my god, out of everything in this whole place, I'm mainly excited about the bathroom, the actual tub, like a real deep soaking tub, shower head, little area to mount your stuff. I'm just so excited. I'm gonna have to get one of those things that go in the corner to kind of put all my stuff, because it doesn't look like I'll be able to mount anything up there. But I'll figure it out, trust me. Trust your girl. Trust and believe. Places to put towels and more storage. Lotion. Throw a lot of lotion up. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I am, you guys, I'm so happy. I'm so freaking happy. Here's the other room. That's the main thing I wanted, is additional room. Oh, the door's closed really softly. And this other room is gonna be like our guest room slash my filming room. There's a closet, it's just one closet, but it's pretty big. I'm gonna put a lot of my filming equipment. Let's see it from here. A lot of my filming equipment in here. Depending on how nifty I can get. I might look up an IKEA pack system that's small enough to fit in these closets. I don't know. Just like even if it's, I'm hopeful that the sun sets well. So it's a 2-bedroom. I forget how many square feet. Ooh, the fireplace, it's a real fireplace too. Yeah. To us, especially in this area, it's very difficult to find, yeah, it's very difficult. I saw somebody look out the window. It's very difficult to find, what do you call it? Renovated places here. Renovated. Hello?
Hey, you got it in here?
It was already inside.
Oh, it's all the way up top?
It's right there.
This is just the one part. All right, cool. Just making sure.
You company?
No, I got the food and the shit in the truck.
Okay, all right.
Here, I'll bring this upstairs, though. What?
Okay, there go the husband. We about to go eat.
Let's go.
Okay,
ooh,
baby.
Way better in here
It's
now.
nice and clean, ain't it?
Yeah, they touched it up and painted it. All right, let's go.
All right. All right. Let me make sure I turn off all these lights. I will. So, your girl's happy. Let's get a little thumbnail. Oh, let's turn the light on. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know when this video is going up, but yeah, we're gonna be doing our whole like not renovation. We'll be doing like home decor. I kind of came up with my theme already because, you know, it's not only my space, but it's my husband's space too. So we want to make sure it's a place that we both feel welcomed in, because we were living in a space that was for a very long time, and this is our first space that we picked out together. Mainly I picked it. And I'm just very happy to be able to share that with you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you're notified when I post new videos, especially with this new series. It's gonna be like a home decor series. I love you guys. Bye.